Reading graphic novels, digital comics, and manga? Did you know Falmouth Memorial Library offers a digital service granting access to read all the graphic novels, digital comics, and manga with no wait lists and 24/7 access? With over 1,000 titles and newly published material available on your smartphone, tablet, or home computer, you only need your Falmouth Memorial Library card. First, download the app from the App Store. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and select the Get Started button. Next, the app will ask you to search for your library. Go ahead and type in Falmouth Memorial Library. Lastly, you'll enter your 14-digit library barcode number and select Login. That's it. Comic Plus will automatically take me to the home page, and I can start reading comics. On the home page, comics are featured in different categories, such as mystery reads for the inspiring sleuths or All in the Family. Or, if I want to refine my search, I will click the 3 lines in the top left corner. By doing this, I am given the option to view comics by popularity, recent editions, categories, and by publisher. When I click categories, comics are arranged by reading genre. Let's say I wanted to read humor. I will scroll down until I see the humor category and select this genre. Comic Plus will deliver all its humor titles on the app. If I click the filter button on the right corner, I can customize results and view comics based on my set preferences, such as publisher, my chosen language, adding a second reading genre, adding an age filter, and if I click the most popular button, I can view comics by the title in alphabetical order, the most popular, and by publication date. Or I can search for the comic I want by clicking the magnifying glass in the top right corner and typing in the name of my comic. But if you're still deciding what to read or where to start, clicking the popular button at the bottom screen will show you titles that are currently trending on the app. Now, what happens when I select a comic? I am given 3 options. Stream now. If I'm connected to the internet, I can start reading the comic immediately. Download now. This feature allows me to download my comic for offline reading. Add to my shelf. This is where I can save my comic to read for a future date. Lastly, the My Shelf button will keep track of my reading history. Comics I haven't started yet, comics that are in progress, comics I have downloaded for offline reading, and comics that I have finished. If I wish to return home, I will select the Feature button located on the bottom screen. Any questions about using the Comic Plus app, call us at 207-781-2351, extension 140, or by email at reference@falmouthmemoriallibrary.org.